Hello and welcome to this Fast Track how-to video. Today I'm going to show you how to set the area meter on this Fast Track tractor. Let's take a look. The area meter can be set using the tractor touchscreen and front dash. Go into the main tractor settings page, then select the cutout icon. Select the area icon to change the trigger to engage and disengage the area meter. In this example, we are going to use the rear linkage. Set a percentage, then save. Go into the dash settings using the hand icon and scroll through to the area page. Press the tick button and scroll through to a field from 1 to 25. Then scroll down to the implement width. Press the tick and use the arrows to change the desired width. When the field number is flashing, the area meter is not recording. When the field number has stopped flashing, the area meter is recording. Thank you for watching this Fast Track how-to video. Please remember, always refer to your operator's manual for more details. Join us again next time for another Fast Track how-to.